Let's explore the global flag, represented as /G. This flag is used to find all matches in a string instead of just the first one. It unlocks the power of comprehensive pattern matching in your text. Here's the basic syntax for using the global flag in JavaScript. First, declare a constant variable named pattern and assign it a regular expression. The regular expression is enclosed in forward slashes, followed by the global flag, which is a G. Next, declare a constant variable named matches. It will store the result of applying the match method to a string using the defined pattern. The match method returns all matches found in the string as an array. Let's see what happens when we don't use the global flag. Consider the following code. We declare a constant variable named text and assign it the string value of cat-bat-rat. Next, we declare another variable called result and assign the value after applying the match method on the text with the regular expression /@/. The output will be an array containing only the first match, which is @. Without the global flag, the match method only finds the first occurrence of the pattern in the string. Now let's see how the global flag changes things. We declare a constant variable named text and assign it the string cat-bat-rat. Then we declare another variable named result and assign the value after applying the match method on the text with the regular expression /@/G. Notice the G at the end of the regular expression. The output will be an array containing all matches of the pattern in the string, which are @, and @. The global flag ensures that the match method finds all occurrences of the pattern in the string. Let's look at a practical example of how the global flag can be used. First, we declare a constant variable named email and assign it a string containing 2 email addresses. Then we declare another variable named emails. We use the match method to extract all email addresses from the string using a regular expression that looks for a pattern of characters followed by an @ symbol, followed by more characters, a dot, and then more characters. The global flag is used here to find all email addresses in the string. The result will be an array containing help@site.com and admin@site.com. This demonstrates how the global flag can be useful for extracting multiple pieces of information from a string. The global flag offers 2 key benefits when working with regular expressions. First, it enables a complete search of the text, finding every occurrence of the pattern. Second, it allows for efficient processing by making a single pass through the entire string, finding all matches in one go. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.